Hey everybody, my name is Kurt Stubbs, and I just want to say I'm really excited and thankful to be able to walk alongside each and every one of you and learn from all of you throughout this course. Before I get into my goals, I wanted to tell you just a little bit about myself. I am currently a seventh grade math teacher in the Ridgeview STEM Junior High building that is part of the Pickerington Local School District, a suburb east of Columbus. My wife Dana and I recently had a son, Hudson James. He is about 5 months old now, so we're still trying to get acclimated with that, with teaching and master's program throughout the summer and making sure his needs are met as well. My wife is also a teacher. She is an intervention specialist in a nearby school in third grade. My sister is a third grade teacher as well. She is also in the Pickerington Local School District, so we're kind of a family of teachers, if you will. I really enjoy learning, especially when I can set aside that specific time to grow as an individual. I really like working out. It's one of my favorite things to do. I love sports, pretty much all type of sports. Really, basketball and football probably would be at the forefront. I also have a podcast that I do, kind of for fun, but I am getting a lot of new listeners, if you will. It is called the Ohio High School Hoops Around the State podcast. If you ever get a chance, you could check that out. I would appreciate it. I'm also a huge follower of Christ, loving on other people. That is the centerpiece of who I am. So those are just some things about me. As far as goals go in instructional technology, one of my strengths is I'm not afraid to just jump in and kind of learn some new things, and you're going to fail at some of them, and but that's really the only way I've found to grow and learn is to jump right in, and sometimes you fail and they burn up in your face, but I've really learned a lot of new cool things through doing that. A weakness is with so many resources out there, especially even free resources now. It can get a bit overwhelming, and you got to be really specific about the things and intentional about the things that you're choosing to give your students. If not, you can just be using things to use them. So just trying to narrow those things down is really, something I'm working on right now to be more intentional about what I am exposing my students to as far as technology goes. As far as interest goes, I really enjoy helping other teachers around the building get onto some free resources and helping them learn. And I really would look forward to doing maybe some more professional development for teachers moving forward. As far as my degree goes, like I said, I'm hoping to get my master's in instructional technology. Where do I want that to lead? I'm just kind of waiting to see, what doors might be open through that. So it's kind of just a wait and see, but I'm excited to know what the future might hold with this degree. As far as staying focused, this is a big one, especially for me. And if you're anything like me, you got a family, you've got other, hobbies and things you do, you're teaching or whatever workplace you're in. So I would say being intentional and purposeful about setting aside specific time over the course of the module to get your work done is the big thing. Create that space for yourself. If not, you are going to backload it and you are going to be on cognitive overload. This has happened to me in the past, so I'm just trying to forewarn you to hope that you do not suffer those same things. So be strategic about your projects and assignments and discussions. Make them work for you in your specific role as an educator or the workplace that you're in. I found that to be a big strength moving forward, is to make sure that those things that you can, if at all possible, you can implement them into your classroom. So I would say those are some of the big things that I've learned over the course of about halfway through this program. Just be strategic and specific about creating that time for yourself to get that work done. I'm really looking forward to getting started with you all, and I can't wait to learn from you guys, and I hope you learn a little bit from me as well. Have a great week.